apart. People just got tired of each other. And you see, a lot of people too don't know what to do with themselves when they're told to stay put. They can't stay put. Put it that way. They can't stay put. They have to be constantly moving, going somewhere, interacting. They can't stay with themselves or with people who, their family. They don't know how to relate to themselves or to each other. And so to be locked in, to them that was like prison. And they acted out. It got into each other's face, got on each other's nerves, and you know, I saw these memes where some women were saying, boy, I'm locked in with my guy and I have to be giving him a blowjob like every 2 hours. I have to be giving him sex like every 2 hours. Because he doesn't know what to do with himself. You know, this is the kind of thing that's happening when people don't know what to do with themselves, when they have to stay put. And so they were over-sexing, overeating, overstimulating, and then getting on each other's nerves and getting cloyed of each other, cloyed of the sex. Too much of it. No, so we got to where persons were anxious to get back to work. This place that they used to dread and this place that they used to celebrate. Thank God it's Friday. TGIF. Remember those days? Remember those days when you used to say, thank God it's Friday. Leaving work, can't wait till 5 o'clock Friday to get away from this place. Now this is the place that people were. Can't wait to go to work. I miss my co-workers, I miss the routine, I miss the job, I even miss the boss. I even miss the boss. Can you imagine? Persons were so anxious to just get the go-ahead, get the green light to hit the work. Imagine that. And legitimately too, because persons need to start earning back a salary. There are persons, I know couples who the man and the woman were laid off. Mom and dad laid off. Scraping to make ends meet, in debt, have to just be both parents laid off, or they have their business and the business just flatlined because of the lockdown, you know. So yeah, people legitimately wanted to go back to work for that too, just to earn a salary. Again, to be, just to have a cash coming in, inflow coming in again. My last point, and guys, let me tell you, the you know who suffered the most from this lockdown? You know who suffered the most from this lockdown? The side chicks. The side chicks. They suffered the most, because here you have the situation, guys. The husband's locked down with the wives. The side chicks don't have access anymore to the husband because he's not supposed to leave the house. What a predicament. He can't leave the house for how many days, weeks, months. poor side chicks there. What to do? No access. I mean, the wives at this point wouldn't mind him going, but he can't. It's illegal for him to go. You get the dilemma, guys. At this point, the wives would not mind if he would just hit the road, because he's been on her nerves for a while, right? At this point, she's saying, listen, you got anywhere you need to go? But then she remembers he can't really go. He's not supposed to go. So, and then the side chicks, guys, they suffered the most out of all of this lockdown thing. We need to take a moment and just, in honor of the side chicks, because they really felt the brunt of all of this. Luckily, things are easing up, you know. We have to go, we can't be locked down forever, so side chicks, guys, I'll see you, bye.